In this video, I will show you how to improve your videos from this to this with only 3 quick ways of doing it. So in this video, I'm gonna be teaching you the 3 best way to improve your video quality just by doing simple steps, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So the first step that you need to do, guys, it is the most important one. Many people really messed up when doing this first step because they think they don't need it. So the first step, guys, is to invest in lighting. The lighting is the best way to make your video to stand out. It is the best way to make your videos to look professional, to look cinematic, and to look very different from the other public that normally watch videos or normally do videos. Yeah, that's kind of what it is. The second step, and one of the most important step, is how you're going to illuminate yourself. Let's say you have everything. You have the lights, you have everything you can have on hand, but you don't know how to illuminate. Well, it's pretty much basically pretty easy. You need to have a main light. My main light, it's a Forza 200 from Nightlight. It is very good, which I'm going to recommend you on the link in the description. I am not sponsored. Nightlight, if you're watching this, come on, man, sponsor me. So basically, this light, make sure you have a soft box because the light is going to hit your face very soft and it's going to make your face looks very pretty. So that's what we want. The method that I'm using for this video to illuminate my face is called Rembrandt, which basically create a little bit of a triangle over here. I don't know if you can see it. That's one of the most useful illumination technique that even cinematographers use because it is the best way to illuminate a face and makes it look cinematic, pretty. Or the third step, guys, is to have more than one light, because if you have only one light, you're going to have pretty much this effect that I'm going to show you right now. So right now you can see it's a little bit boring. I only have one main light, and the shadow right here, it's pretty harsh. It's making a little bit more dramatic look, and depending on your video, if you want to transmit this energy, I mean, you can do it. I don't know what type of video you do, but yeah. And we're back. But before we jump into this third step, guys, if you are enjoying this video, please make sure to subscribe. It's going to help me a lot. My goal in this community is to help every single one of you. So guys, I've been in the industry for almost 10 years now, and I've learned so much that I want to give you guys all this learning before I die. The third step, guys, is to create dynamic lighting. Dynamic lighting is pretty much creating depth in your video. I really recommend you guys to have at least 3 lights. The main light to illuminate your face, other light give this soft refilling effect. This light over here responsible the separation that the video needs from the white background and the wall behind. If I don't have this light behind me, you're not gonna have this dynamic depth in the video, and your video is going to look flat. You don't want that, guys. You want to have some sort of depth in your video so you can have your viewers looking into something professional and something interesting. Remember, if I don't have this light on, I'm gonna show you how it looks. This is how it looks when the light is off. This light, you need it. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Hopefully all these 3 steps is going to help you improve the videos. It did help me, so that's why I'm sharing it with you. And yeah, you might be wondering, why do you have such a dirty desk? Actually, this is not dirty. This is some props that I'm going to be showing you guys in the next video for you to be more creative with less money. So make sure you guys stay tuned to this channel so you can help me also grow this community, because I am trying to make a living out of this. I don't really care about money, but money helps me to stay alive. I don't think I have anything else to say. Yeah, goodbye. This is the part where I stare at the camera for like 10 seconds so I can do the outro. Oh, you subscribe. Thank you.